Good evening. My name is Claudia Patricia Caro. Today I going to talk about the rules in museums. This is Gold Museums located in Bogota. Here you can learn many things, but we can take pictures. We can see how the ancestors lived, but we can't buy the objects and what we see because history will be lost. We can walk the hall and we can run. We can't touch the objects and we can't eat inside the place. We can carry a lot of information, uh, and, but we can speak out loud. We can very happy if we play by the rules. Thanks.